We're going head-to-head as literally as possible. This is Heading to Goals. Here, we're helping players learn to safely and powerfully head a ball to goal. Use 4 cones to create a rectangular grid with a pair of cones arm's length apart on each end of each end line, 4 goals in all. Divide your players into 2 teams, 1 in pennies. Here's how it looks. 3 attackers initiate play from their end line by throwing the ball with their hands, not passing with their feet. When a player receives the ball, they must throw from where they stand. No moving with the ball here. Teammates throw the ball back and forth to move down the field and set up a headed goal by tossing to a teammate, who then heads the ball through the cones. Defenders try to catch or intercept the ball and can even block shots with their hands. If a goal is scored or goes out of bounds or hits the ground, it's a turnover.
Good.
Play short rounds, a few minutes each, rotating players between rounds. The goal here is to acclimate players to heading on the move, with the ball arriving from a variety of directions. This is, you guessed it, really hard. The key is timing. Players should prepare for contact by thrusting from the hips when the ball is 1 yard away. Easier said than done. Coaches, the game is only appropriate for players who are old enough and who are trained to accurately and safely head the ball. That means knowing the right position to make contact and not moving their neck too much, if at all. Always consult your league safety guidelines and rules first. Remember, throw to pass, head to score, focus on form. This game gives new meaning to the word headstrong.